Hello, guys and girls. Hello, my dear students. This is a big announcement from MEPL on your demand for all CS professional student friends. Yes, you are right. We are starting with a new batch, fresh batch for advanced tax laws, and that too exclusively in English. So, yes, the demand of students is heard, and we are starting with the batch for CS Professional Advanced Tax Laws, and that too exclusively in English. So, from when is the batch starting? Yes, it's starting from 10th of February, and if you are attending live, make sure that you attend from day 1. Obviously, if you miss any classes, obviously recordings will be given to you. If you don't want to go for live batch, but if you want a recorded batch, obviously you can opt for the same as well. So friends, what are the timings of the batch? It's in evening 6 o'clock, and obviously we are going to cover entire of your GST, customs, income tax, as well as international tax. We are not at all going to leave any stone unturned. Okay, the batch is for June 23 as well as December 23 exams. You would be thinking, sir, how come the batch is for June 23? Because right now, when we are starting on 10th Feb, is it possible to complete by June 23? So friends, it's my guarantee that we will complete by April 30th, and that too in a very nice manner. It's not that we will rush through the classes. We will nicely do all the provisions, problems, its logic, and that too with writing practice. Correct? So guys, what are you waiting for? Just spread this message to your friends as well. Now the question in your mind would be, but sir, how to register for this batch? So it's very simple. Go to the very well structured website of MEPL classes. On that, click on the courses and go to CS Professional. Once you go to CS Professional, check out the listed batch here. Check out. You will find it here. Correct? So when you click on this batch, you are going to get all the details. Correct? This one which I have clicked now is for desktop and laptop mode. Correct? So accordingly, you can make correct choice of batch. Check all other things in the description and make a right choice. And I'm really hoping you to see in the classes. I'm really pumped up to give my 100% in this 150 to 180 hours of classes, which will be of about 100 sessions. So see you in the classes. Happy learning. Thank you.